Hi, I'm Larry, here to talk to you about travel bases. The bases are laser cut in Hackensack, New Jersey. We precision bend them to provide firm, stable support. The bases are made of 1/4-inch steel and when opened are 22 5/8 by 15 5/8 deep. Bases available in 2 colors, satin silver and black matte. Both colors come with a fine pebble finish. The bases swivel whereby the underneath fits under the top and is suitable for packing into a case or a long box. Very often this can make shipping more efficient. Each base comes with a 1/4-20 male knob that can be used to attach your fixture above the base. Testrite travel bases are available online at testritealuminum.com. If your need is 25 pieces or greater, we can laser different sizes, different thicknesses, different colors. Remember Testrite when you have the opportunity to work on new projects and new products.